Welcome to this guided meditation. Let's take a moment to bring ourselves to a comfortable position, with legs crossed or soles on the floor. The palm of our hands resting against our knees, facing upwards. We take a deep inhale, and as the air flows throughout our lungs, we find a comfortable position, resting our back peacefully against the chair, the wall. And as we exhale and inhale, we start rolling our shoulders down, letting go of the tension in our faces, in our hands, in our feet. I want us to start this practice by bringing our hands together in front of our chest. Connecting with our hearts, with the energy that we are vibrating today. Breathe in and out as you relax. Bring your hands and your head together and thank yourself for showing up for this practice today, for taking a moment to invest on yourself, on your peace of mind. Let's start with this peaceful energy that nourishes us, the energy of self-love, self-care. Let's connect and vibrate within this frequency. As we use this energy to nourish and restore the energy of our bodies. Let's take a full inhale. And as you exhale, you empty your lungs completely. As we inhale in the count of 4, we will hold for 4 and let go on 6. Inhaling in 1, 2, 3, 4, holding for 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Letting go of the air and slowly inhaling in the count of 4 once more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and empty your lungs. Feel that emptiness inside of you. the pause on your mind, the pause on your body. And let's take our last full breathing cycle together as we inhale in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more, letting go of all the air, feeling that beautiful emptiness inside of us. A little pause in the middle of the chaos that we live in. And when you feel ready, start inhaling and exhaling naturally. Connect with this energy that is rising within you. An energy of healing, of positive vibration. Let it expand to every corner of your body. As this white mist that starts as a small dot on your chest. This mist starts growing into this beautiful, peaceful, empty space. And slowly travel through your shoulders, arms, hands, expanding through your abdomen, hips, legs, knees, feet. And when you inhale, all that mist travels through your neck, all over your face, taking your head in, and soon all that empty space, it's covered by that powerful mist that sparkles inside of you. And as this mist slowly dissolves, a little sparkle is left inside of you. A sparkle that nourishes the energy of your mind and the energy of your body. Receive it, accept it, and embrace this new energy. As you go through with your meditation, embrace the feeling that is rising within you. Let's take a last inhale and exhale together. Please bring your right hand and place it above your heart, and your left hand right under your belly button. Breathe in and feel that energy of love vibrating inside of you. Remember, you can access this energy whenever you choose. It lives inside of you. I want to thank you for choosing to practice with me today. And I hope that you can feel all the positive vibrations that my heart is sending towards yours. I hope you find peace on your mind. Namaste.